Hey guys! As always, we're bringing you the latest tech that'll make your life a little bit better. Today you'll see the groundbreaking modular wallet, a watch that you can bend around your wrist, and the most functional earphone ever. Also, you're going to find out how to keep your muscles relaxed and take your smart home to the next level. All the links to all the products are given in the description below. Let's go! Thinking of a special gift or an interior item? Get both. Meet Uniqcube, the best personalized lamp you could ever imagine. Just go to the Uniqcube page, then upload your favorite photos, images, and add the text if you want. That's pretty much it. Or you can choose one of the pre-designed ambient light cubes, it's up to you. It's made of waterproof polyester film coated from one side with a matte surface. High-resolution print is waterproof, no need to worry about finger marks, you'll wash them off easily. So plug a 71-inch cable into the socket and create that special atmosphere. Whether you prefer PC, Nintendo Switch, PS, or Xbox, this set of accessories suits them all. Just plug in the USB dongle and you're ready to play. The keypad is much more compact than the full-size bulky keyboards. Every gamer will appreciate the high-quality mechanical switches and the integrated 3D joystick. On top of that, the keypad boasts customizable RGB lighting. Same goes for the mouse that gets really bright and colorful due to the cool grid design. But most importantly, this thing weighs under 2.5 ounces and features 7 DPI levels. But if you still need a full-size keyboard, here's a great option. It's pretty much the same but on a larger scale. The mechanical switches and RGB lighting are all over the keyboard. In addition, you get a great protective cover that doubles as a palm rest when folded. Extremely handy. Ghostbusters are back! All fans can get their hands on the famous Ghost Trap now. This model is so realistic, Peter Venkman himself wouldn't see any difference. At the same time, this is a fully functional incense burner. With the smoke coming from the inside, it's really easy to believe there's an actual ghost you've caught. This is an officially licensed item with the Ghostbusters logo on it. There's no way you'll confuse it with anything else. How do you turn a regular fidget spinner into a handy EDC tool? Just fill it up with LED lights. Not only does it make the spinner look cooler, but also provides it with great new functionality. This thing doubles as a really bright and completely pocketable flashlight. It features 3 different brightness levels along with the strobe mode. Turning on the lights and changing the mode just takes a few clicks. The spinner is battery-powered, so it doesn't require charging. Plus, the device is sturdy as it gets with its all-metal design, especially the titanium version. Now, Nerf blasters are fun and absolutely harmless, but this thing right here looks more terrifying than an actual weapon. No wonder it's called the Mega Mastodon. This blaster is literally gigantic. It features a motorized mechanism with a rotating drum that holds 24 darts. How fast is it? It shoots 3 darts a second at a 100-foot distance. This blaster is provided with 3 drums and 2 drum covers, and there's also some stuff in the package like the detachable handle and a shoulder strap. How else would you carry this Mastodon? It's the best way to turn your smartphone into a portable gaming console. So first, this accessory provides you with really comfortable textured grips, like the ones that are used in gaming controllers. The expandable design allows you to easily fit any phone measuring between 5 inches and 7 inches in length. Plus, the device makes sure your phone stays charged even while playing. It uses the Qi standard for seamless wireless charging, along with a 3000 mAh battery. The battery pack is actually detachable, so you can charge it separately on a wireless dock or with regular USB. This is literally a game changer. What can be better than a snack in bed? But you have to do it right. This gadget provides you with everything you need to chill either on your couch or bed without creating a mess. All your stuff is organized in special compartments: drinks, snacks, phone, and remote control. You're free to switch the modules and rearrange them however you want. The self-balancing cup holder uses gyroscopes to make sure you won't spill your drink no matter how hard you try. Along with the handy stand for your phone, this thing includes a USB-C charging cable, and if something doesn't fit any compartment, there's an additional one inside. Whether you're filming a vlog or just joining a Zoom meeting, you need some proper lighting. Here's the most compact solution. This light kit simply attaches to your laptop, tablet, or smartphone using a single suction cup. You can easily adjust the angle and brightness depending on the environment and set the preferable color temperature. It's powered by a 2000 mAh battery, which makes the device completely portable. Just throw this thing into your bag and you'll be ready to take calls from anywhere. This isn't just a headset, it's a wearable cell phone. Jokes aside, you'll be surprised with the functions it can perform. It boasts TF card and SIM card slots along with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and even a little screen for some glanceable info. The built-in microphone with noise reduction allows hands-free phone calls, and the high-quality speaker makes this thing perfect for music playback. The device is so lightweight and comfortable, you can wear it all day. So pick the color. These massage balls are much more efficient than the usual ones. The secret is the built-in vibrating mechanism. This one, for example, is a perfect way to warm up, relax your muscles, or prepare them for an intense workout. It all depends on the vibration speed that you choose. Here's another one. It actually looks quite similar. The balls might differ in size and surface, but all of them are lightweight and completely portable. Some options also stand out with waterproof design. Changing the speed levels and checking the battery status is extremely easy thanks to the LED indicators. As for the charging, you'll need a micro USB cable for that. It all depends on the vibration intensity, but the battery should be enough for 2 hours of usage. Your muscles will be grateful for that. Still carry a bulky leather wallet? Hope this thing will change your mind. Made of rust-resistant aluminum alloy, this wallet stands out with the cleanest design you'd imagine. Thanks to its modular structure, each slot can be easily detached and replaced. Moreover, you can add some new layers if you run out of space. The basic option includes 2 layers that can hold up to 6 cards, and there's a flat clip for your cash. As for the coins, keys, and SD cards, the sliding box module is a perfect solution. What's more, this wallet is much harder to lose than a regular one. There's a free mobile app that keeps you notified when you move away from the wallet and shows its latest position. You can use the wallet to ring your phone. Smartwatches are usually too compact to fit a large display, unless it's a flexible one. This Nubia smartwatch with its 4-inch curved screen is something unbelievable. The display allows new possibilities for customization, including dynamic wallpapers. Plus, the large screen makes it much easier to read your texts and emails and scroll them. And of course, the watch is perfect for tracking all your fitness activities. There are 4 different sports modes for various workouts. You can always measure your heart rate in real time using the integrated sensor. The watch stands out with a durable metal body that's both dust and waterproof. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 7 days in power-saving mode. As for the straps, there's a wide range of sizes and materials to choose from. This is the heart and brain of your smart home. A single hub that keeps everything under your control, from the lights and curtains to the thermostat and other smart gadgets. No wonder this thing is equipped with 7 different wireless modules, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and others. It's equipped with an LED light ring that provides you with feedback from different apps. The dedicated mobile app makes it really simple to manage all your gadgets and add new ones. You can do that with your voice too. The coolest part, though, is that you can tie several actions into a single scenario. When you come back home, the TV's already on and the oven's heated. Also, the app will notify you if something is going wrong. That's amazing. We all love to play with our pens while working or drawing something, so here's a pen that's meant to make the creative process more amusing. Each pen is equipped with super strong magnets, which can be used in various ways. What about making your own fidget spinner to calm down at stressful moments? Or you can create various forms to draw the precise shapes. Magnets are also really useful when you need to clean up the desk. For the first time, you can make a pencil holder out of pens. But most importantly, you get cool drawing tools with a rich 20-color palette. Each pen creates beautiful thin lines. Since the gel refills are replaceable, you can use these pens for years.